subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs.
To my fans on TV, Game 10-8, Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Golden Arrows 1. I'm joined by the best analyst.
Hola, Steve. My name is Adam Gidana, known as Ukoke. Steve, thanks for the opportunity.
Sure, leader.
Before I come in, Steve, I know I'm going to be controversial, but I'm telling us, Mamelodi.
Order.
So, Steve, Maskene came in and I'm trying. We have to understand the caliber of the coach that we're facing. We're talking about Pitso Dada. Pitso Dada is the coach last season. That won in Nedbank. Sure. At Eben City.
Sure.
Coach Dada is the coach last season that took it Eben City and put them in MTN 8. Meaning that my coach calling Arrows MTN 8 is a coach that deserves to be in the MTN 8.
Top coach.
That's number one. You have to understand.
Top coach.
Pitso Dada last season. He won all the game. He won 15 games.
Sure.
He scored 14 goals.
Sure.
And conceded 15 goals.
Okay.
Young Tol. Coach Pitso Dada. He's one of the most promising young coaches like South Africa. He understands our football. Young Tol. Asingene gaming. Tactical uvuthi Coach Pitso Dada.
Sure.
Singene gaming bafethu. The way we approach the game. I don't see anything wrong for Coach Katos.
Sure.
You have to understand. I'm a player udlala ngawo. Umthiba. He player elidlala central. He's a player that likes sitting the 4 and 5. Uleon, he's a player that likes moving around the 4 and 5. Ayenza ama bucket run. Urenas likes making run behind. So now you are playing a team efana ne Golden Arrows. Which striker would you prefer? Look at your midfielders. Abantu odlala ngabo ukuthi badlala ibhola elinjani. You've got Undlovu as your playmaker. Undlovu uthanda ukudlala amabhola kanjani. Undlovu ufuna istrike esifuna ibhola enyaweni aphinda sibuyise. Wall pass. The first chance that we got ngiyakabani yakandlovu. Wall pass ibanjwe ubani? Mthiba. You understand? You gotta understand how we're thinking. And then we go forward and say the best chances that we got in this game, it was when Muthiba was playing. It was a header. It was that one-on-one opportunity at Muthiba. And then you pull Muthiba out. Who got the best chances after Muthiba Pumi? Okay. And then I told you about the balance. Last game I told you about we needed the balance a move. We needed the balance a move. For us to have the balance a move, last time we had the balance because Mugunokekana a mover, no cause. Because of Kekana no cause, we had the balance. That balance means every policy pass up was easy for us to get. And another thing, Steve. Pagat. The last time that said Alega Mnandi Pagat, it was because Aleni Megadala one Pagat. Abantu badala phamkwakhe abantu umayilula Megadala mofeda umkhulisi mekangekho, meaning that Aleni Megane ground lonke. Namhlanje because ucoach Mesilwa naye samgcwalisa ama midfield sayenza kwenza kwaba compact. That is why you saw igame yethu iphele injani imomentum iphansi, because in the midfield there were a lot of midfielders. uAllen udlala ibhola elifana nekamkhulisi, ubas uRayden umudiba mangena phakathi udlala ibhola elifana nabo. So bonke bafuna ibhola enyaweni, meaning that we no longer having space and room kuma half space phakathi. That is why we ended up igame yethu idrop and said ukuthi iphakame, because we have a lot of players abadlala ibhola elifanayo. Ngiyabonga Steve.
Thank you Ayanda.